Welcome to today's video, guys. I'm Trust and this is a TS Tech Talk video. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to transcribe your recorded call on Android. Now, this is actually easy done, but you can only do this by making use of an external application. Now, this is the recorded call I have recently. So since I enabled this, all my calls are being recorded until I disable this. So now I actually want to show you guys something. Now, what I want to show you is how to transcribe this recorded call and maybe translate it to any other language. Now, I've actually done this and I need two different applications. The recorded application, which is a call recorder, and the second one is, let's say, a notepad where you are going to be pasting what you just recorded. And this is the call I actually also recorded that I actually transcribe and have it put here. Now, I have already done this and it worked perfectly well. Now, all you need to do, or how you actually need to do it, is to make sure you have this particular application called Voice Recorder. So go to your Android Play Store and then on the search icon area, you tap on that to start searching for the application. And then when you hit the search area, you search for Voice Recorder. Now, when you hit Voice Recorder, you are going to see this particular application right here that says Samsung Voice Recorder. You click on that to have it open. Now, when you have this open, you can also, don't forget it's actually Samsung Electronics. And even though you are not making use of Samsung device, you can still have access to this. Have it open and make sure this is open. Now, these actually have three different versions. The first one is the standard way of recording voice. The second one is actually the interview area. And then the last one is actually the speech to text. And then just go ahead and hit record to start recording. Now, you need to actually hit this first before it starts recording the voice recorder. Now, you hit this. This is going to be playing, right? Leave it playing, and then you go over to the recorded call, and then you play the recorded call. This is going to record every voice that is going to be hearing. So I am going to stop talking while I record.
I don't see him. That place, just leave and default. I think 2010 you collected that this thing, have you?
Yeah.
I mean 2020, not the 2010. Yeah, you still leave it like that, or you could change the date.
All right, so I went on to play the recorded call. So now you can see the recorded call is actually being displayed here. But because we are actually using Pidgin, you might not be getting everything. I just stopped the recording. So everything that we actually said on that voice note is going to be displaying right here. But because I have been talking and also recording the stuff, so both what I am saying and both what is on the call is also being displayed here. But then because I was using Pidgin on that particular call, it might not translate it properly because it only understands English. So after it has actually finished recording, you can click and hold, or let's say you highlight, and you can have all your message being stored somewhere. Now you notice everything. Okay, let me just let me go ahead and save, or rather stop this recording. So I'm going to hit stop and then save it as a memo, and this is going to be saved. This is it right here. You can notice it has an icon that is displaying here. All these ones that have an icon is actually a call I just recorded. So you can click on them and then the voice is going to be playing, and then you can click and hold and then select everything, copy it, and then you go to your notes pad and then you paste this. So I can do this and then paste everything I copied from that call, and then it has been pasted here. I can now copy all of these and then translate it to probably any language that I want to. I think I am okay with this. But then guys, just go ahead and try this, and if it worked perfectly well, let me know. I don't think this is perfect yet. Most of the times it actually makes mistake, especially when you are using a different language. Like for instance, I am using Pidgin on that particular call and it wasn't getting everything perfectly well. But anyway, they have actually tried And when I tried this for a call I had with somebody through English without using Pidgin, it was actually working very well. Not exactly perfect, but let's say 98%. So I think it's actually okay. So this is actually how to transcribe call. And also you can do this for just about any music or any voice that you have actually recorded. You can transcribe that easily, making use of this method. So let me know, guys, what you think, if this works for you. If you have any challenge doing this, let me know on the comment section. And also this can also be done making use of Google Pixel transcribing tool. I am also going to do that to show you guys how that one works, and then you tell me the one that is best. But actually I've used both of them. I think the Samsung own works better. So let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.